As the Supreme Court prepares to hear oral arguments in a high-profile abortion case, activists are taking to the streets to defend access to the procedure.
WGN's Megan Dwyer is live in the loop with more. Megan.
Lourdes, Ben, it was certainly not an accident that this rally was planned for the first day of the U.S. Supreme Court term. Activists here are hoping that those justices will uphold Roe versus Wade and here at home in Illinois put in place more protections for women locally.
Listen, I'm going to make this real clear. My uterus is mine.
In a rally today in Federal Plaza, healthcare and labor groups say they are fighting to bolster Illinois abortion rights laws.
Extremists march with signs that say "My body, my choice" when it comes to COVID vaccine mandates, but they take no issue with laws that dictate our choice whether or not to bear a child.
The push comes after what's happened in Texas, where lawmakers have now made it nearly impossible for women to get access to safe procedures, and where people are now suing complete strangers and their doctors who are trying to make decisions about their pregnancies.
The ones who suffer most are the very young, people of color, and people of limited means.
Doctors say the number of women coming to Illinois for abortions from Texas has skyrocketed.
A patient told me just last week that she spent her whole savings to come from Texas to Chicago.
And they only expect numbers to keep rising.
No abortion bans, not now, not ever.
Chicago is a blue city in a blue state, but just last month, activists say workers at a local abortion clinic were attacked.
Planned Parenthood of Illinois' doors are open, and we are here to unapologetically provide abortion no matter what your zip code, no matter what.
In 2013, Illinois passed a parental notice law requiring doctors to tell parents if their underage daughters wanted an abortion. Illinois Senate President Don Harmon told the Chicago Sun-Times it's an issue the Illinois legislature could take another look at in the upcoming session to make sure abortion access is safeguarded in Illinois.
No one can speak about our bodies better than we can. No one should be able to make the decisions about what we do for our body better than we can.
Today's rally was really just a small precursor of what's to come. October 2nd, there are reproductive justice rallies scheduled for across the nation. The one here in Chicago will be held at 11:30 that morning at Federal Plaza. I'm live in the loop tonight. Megan Dwyer, WGN News.